ladies and gentlemen. Let's begin with our first session of the day, which is a product showcase by State Bank of India, International Funds Transfer on YONO, JanNivesh SIP, SBI Life eShield Insta, Digi Sugam, and API Banking. For this, we are delighted to welcome our speakers, Mr. Kuldeep Kumar, Manager, State Bank of India, Mr. Naveen Raja, Chief Manager, State Bank of India, Mr. Pankaj Pathak, DGM, State Bank of India, Mr. Ramesh Manik, Manager, Ms. Shraddha Vispute, and Mr. Vishnu Vatsa, Chief Manager, State Bank of India, to conduct the proceedings. Let's welcome Mr. Kuldeep with a round of applause. Let's hear it. Come on, put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Would you also need a mic?
Yes. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome from Team SBI. So we are presenting here. I am Shraddha Vispute.
And good morning, everyone. I am Naveen Raja, and we are part of Digital Banking and Transformation Department in State Bank of India.
And we will be taking you through API banking presentation.
So API banking is the need of the hour. The future of the banking, the future of fintech engagement, everything relies on this API banking. So what SBI has done is, we have come up with open APIs, which the business customers, corporates, MSMEs can consume, and any day-to-day operation that they perform on the banking website, the same operation they can perform from within their in-house application. It can be SAP, Oracle, Microsoft Dynamics, or any in-house built application. So the day-to-day operation, anything and everything can be done from their application. And the advantage of API banking is, see, the learning curve for the customer reduces. See, today the customer is a SBI customer. He comes on the banking interface. There is a different set of UI UX. He goes to bank A, B, C. Those banks have different set of UI UX and the screens. And there is a learning curve for the customer. And every now and then, the banks continue on enhancing the UI UX, the screens. So all this is what curtailed and brought down, because all operations, the customer using the open APIs will be able to perform from their in-house application, from which he is very well versed about.
From your own application, from your own ERP, you will be able to make the payments seamlessly. You will be able to check your balances. Think about a scenario where there are 700 accounts, how many people you have to put into just log into a banking application, keep on checking the balances, keep on checking the statements, and do the reconciliation for the accounts. So we at SBI are proud to let you know that within a short time of 21 days, we have done the integration with our corporate customers, where from their own applications, they were able to do the payments seamlessly. They were able to add the beneficiaries. They were able to check the status of all the transactions. MT90 account statement, which is a global standard format, SWIFT format account statement, even that can be taken through API banking. So there are more than 150 plus APIs that we have made available for our customers. So what is the process of doing an API integration with SBI? So first, you come to our sandbox portal, you experience our APIs. There is no documentation requirement that is required for experiencing our APIs in sandbox. For doing an integration in UAT, you will have to provide API banking onboarding form, which will have your IP details. Your IPs will be whitelisted by the bank. And once your IPs are whitelisted, you will be able to integrate in UAT environment. Once you complete the integration in UAT, test it successfully, then you will be able to go to production. We have two types of modes. So one is STP, straight through processing, and second is non-STP, non-straight through processing type of transaction. Depending upon the requirements of your business, you can do either STP or you can also go for non-STP. Today, over here, we are proud to let you know that we have also come up with trade APIs. So do your export and import transactions seamlessly. Just integrate our APIs do the banking very seamlessly from your own application. Even the bank guarantees can be issued from your own application. You do business, and banking has been made simple by SBI for you. So if we can play the video. Now unlock new opportunities with the future of banking, that is API banking. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, all. I'm Ramesh Manik with my colleague Mr. Akhilesh Kumar from State Bank of India. Would be showcasing two of our products, GFF'25 SIP and SBI Life's eShield Insta. We'll begin with GFF' SIP. Throughout the presentation, we'll know a brief on the mutual fund industry in India, how this product was conceptualized, the benefits of it, and finally a video presentation on how to avail this product from our app YONO. So mutual fund in India has witnessed a significant growth in the past few years, but this largely corresponds to the increased investments from the existing customers. And the growth in the number of investors has not kept pace. So recognizing this opportunity, SBI Mutual Fund conceptualized a product known as GFF' SIP. This product is a scheme that is aligned with the Government of India's vision of financial inclusion, which aims to ensure financial freedom to aspiring investors. It is designed to make investing accessible to all, and it offers SIPs that starts from as low as ₹250 with daily, weekly, and monthly options. And this SIP uses SBI Balance Advantage Fund because of its dynamic asset allocation, market-driven tax efficiency, and moderate risk reward balance. This can be availed from our app in just a few clicks, like from login to the SIP. It just takes 6 clicks with the folio, with the YONO folio. And if any customer doesn't have a folio, just a few clicks, they can create the folio. We'll now go through the benefits of SIP.
As stated by my colleague, Mr. Ramesh, it is very easy to start. The minimum amount is only rupees 250. It means customers with a very low disposable income can also be part of this investment journey. They can start with their SIPs with only 250 rupees. The money invested through this are invested in funds which aim at long-term growth with moderate risk. There are zero transaction charges for this SIP. It means whatever amount is invested by investors, all goes into wealth creation. There are no charges deducted. As stated earlier, it is hassle-free. It is completely digital product, very easy to use. Within a few clicks, customer can invest in this SIP. Since the amount is very low, but as we all know that even a small contribution can add to a significant amount when contributed regularly. This is what we call power from compounding. It also adds to this investment. Now, we will play a small video to let you know how to avail this product.
On the SBI YONO app is simple and hassle-free. Open the app and tap on GFF'25 SIP to explore its features. Once ready, tap I'm interested to proceed. Next, learn more about SBI Balanced Advantage Fund and tap Invest Now. On the investment page, choose your preferred investment frequency, enter the SIP amount, select the start date, and fill in the required details. Once done, tap Proceed to move forward. Review your transaction details carefully. Read and accept the terms and conditions and tap Confirm. Enter the OTP received on your registered mobile number and submit the request. That's it. Your GFF'25 SIP is now successfully registered. All subsequent SIP debits will be processed as per your selected frequency. Start investing today with GFF'25 SIP on SBI YONO.
Thank you.
The next product that we are going to showcase today is SBI Life's YONO eShield Insta. As we know, SBI Life is a joint venture company of State Bank of India which offers life insurance products. It aims to bring excellent experience to customers by offering its products via digitized process through SBI YONO app.
This is not working. Excuse me. This is not working.
eShield Insta is one such product which is offered to our SBI customers exclusively through SBI YONO app. It has two options. One is pure protection and another is return of premium option. It means you can get your premiums paid, returned after a stipulated time.
As mentioned, it is a complete digital product that requires no branch visits. The journey completes in 2 minutes with no forms to fill and no signatures are required. And the policy is issued instantaneously. This is a pre-approved product and requires no medical test to be undertaken. The life coverage ranges from 10 to 40 lakhs with a gap of 5 lakhs. And the development is undergoing for increasing this amount to 60 lakhs. And this product is offered to a wide range of customers starting from 18 to 50 years of age. There are various benefits of it. It's affordable, it's flexible. We have two options to choose from. One is a pure term insurance, second is a term insurance with return of premium. In that category also there is two options to pay, is a monthly or yearly. There are tax benefits under section 80C of the income tax, and the policy as mentioned is issued instantaneously and it's a hassle-free process. Thank you.
So good morning, madam. Good morning, sir. I am Kuldeep Kumar from State Bank of India. Today's topic is international fund transfer on YONO. So this international fund transfer journey is already available in retail internet banking. Now this service is already available in YONO. So this journey comes under 3 modules. First module is the beneficiary part, where customer can add the beneficiary, delete the beneficiary, and view the beneficiary. The second module is the making the international fund transfer part. And third part is the status of the fund transfer, whether this is a successful or this is not successful. So we'll go to the international fund transfer journey. So this international fund transfer journey comes under the RBI's liberalized remittance scheme. So this journey is available both for residents Indians and the NRI also. So currently we have around 211 worldwide coverage, and we are covering 8 major currencies. Major are the US dollar, Euro, Great Britain pound, Singapore dollar, Australian dollars. And for this, customers don't need to visit the branch. If we see the transaction limit part, so the annual limit for international fund transfer is the $250,000 in a year, and per day the limit is the $40,000 for international fund transfer. So before going the fund transfer journey, these are the product eligibility requirement. So once customer add the beneficiary, these are the checks that will be checked at the backend side. First, it should check the residence status type, whether this is a resident Indian or this is a NRI customers. Then it will check the compliance status, whether this is a full KYC compliant, CIF is active or not, account age, transaction account, minimum 6 months old should be there, PAN registration. So PAN registration only be checked for the residents Indian customers, because this LRS limit is not applicable for the NRI customers. And the last one is the contact detail to send the status of all the transfers. So valid email ID and the mobile number. These are the product eligibility requirements. So this is the first part, first module, where customer will add the beneficiary parts. So customer will go to the YONO Pay after logging the YONO, and under the international fund transfer, customer will click on the add beneficiary. He will enter the profile password and select the type of the customer, whether this is an individual or institutionals. Customer will fill the details of the account details. Second is the beneficiary bank details. These are the minimum details. Customer will put the SWIFT code, and automatically all the bank details will be fetched from the backend side. Third is the beneficiary contact details, and fourth is the remitter details. Then customer will click on the I have read all the term and condition. And this is the second part, where once customer has added the beneficiary, and the second part is the international fund transfer part. So customer will select the beneficiary to whom the customer wants to remit the funds. Customer will put the currency, amount of the currency, and this exchange rate will be in the real-time basis. Customer will select the charge type. Apart from charge type, customer will select the purpose of the remittance. This is the RBI guidelines. And the next part is this will be the screen where customer can see all the charges for the customers. So here, customer will be charged as some bank commission $10, charge type as a beneficiary, GST, and the TCS as far as the applicable remittance part. Then customer will put the OTP, and this remittance request will be submitted. So once this request is submitted, OFAC check and the LRS at the RBI side will be checked. And once customer check, once this remittance request part is checked, the customer can see their status in the transaction history part, whether this is a successful or not successful. So these are the customers' benefit. This is a very streamlined experience for the customers. Customer can get all the updates, home convenience, don't need to visit the branch. In the transaction history part, customer can see the transaction tracking part, And the last one is the transparent pricing part. Customer can see all the charges, whether this is a GST, TCS, or the bank charges. Now we can see the whole, this international fund transfer part in a small video.
I'm Shraddha Vispute again, and I have with me Mr. Vishnu. So, with a lot of hard work, customer insights, we bring to you a digital lending product for business customers, mainly your MSME customers. We call it Digi Sugam.
So, good afternoon, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Myself, Vishnu Vatsa. I am the person who is taking you through this digital product actually. The product, actually, this product was conceptualized for leveraging all the data points, digital data points, which is available in the market as on date. Basically, as a Gen Z entrepreneur or the new entrepreneur, no one wants to go to the branches, face the crowd or face the rush, and to save the time, they want everything on their hand, in their hands, in their mobile, in their net banking, and everywhere. So, with a lot of brainstorming, we come to this particular product, where we are offering 1 lakh rupee to 50 lakh rupee to the customer based on their digital footprints, data available in the ecosystem like GSTN, CICs, and the data which is available with the SBI. So based on these products, based on these data points, with AI and ML algorithm, we decide what is the maximum limit any customer can get, and based on these particular data points, we are assessing the customer's behavior and analyze their all the requirements, and
Also, traditionally, all the lending journeys or the loan products which have been given where basis, balance sheet financing, your profit and loss statements. But this product has been designed digitally with the availability of the digital data, which is available in the ecosystem. So your GSTN data will be taken, your ITR return will be taken, your digital statements will be taken. All these things will be analyzed digitally using AI ML models, and a BRE, business rule engine, will be giving a loan offer to the customer.
So if you try to check this particular product, maximum 10 to 15 minutes is the maximum time in which you will get the journey will be completed within 10 to 15 minutes, and the fund will be transferred either to your account, or you can use the same account as a transactional account where you can do all the transactions. So basically in this product, what we are doing, first this product is as on date, it is live for the proprietorship concerns. Those proprietorship concerns must have our YONO business in Saral variant. Then these customers will be able to log in, and they will be given the login credentials of their existing internet banking will be used. There they will get in loan offer section, they will get this particular product. Once they click this product, they will be proceeded through 7 to 8 steps where they will finally get the loan. In this particular product, we have thought everything digitally, so it's complete end-to-end digital, because customer will start the journey, digital documentation will be completed, and then account opening, disbursement, everything will be done by customer himself. There is no need to go to that branch or anywhere.
So additional benefit that customer get is that he need not give any kind of collateral security for this product. Even if he decides to pre-close or close the account within even before 36 months, there is no prepayment penalty or foreclosure charges that we are going to apply for him. Additionally, there is an option where he can get 15% of top-up loan after 1 year. So everything will happen digitally.
So in top up, what we have considered, suppose a customer has got the loan and then he needs funds, additional funds. And if he has completed that particular loan life of 1 year, then he will be prompted again for an enhancement or for top up of this loan. And the new account and everything will be again created, and customer will get the additional funds. So the basic facility under this product is it's a OD overdraft facility where customer can use the account as a transactional account, or it can be fully transferred to their respective current accounts. From there they can do the transactions. Everything because we are thinking of MSME should be the most beneficial customer for this product, so we have kept URN as a mandatory part. Apart from that, account statement either customer can download from their existing bank and then upload it in our system, or if they are existing SBI customer, they can directly pull the account statement from their YONO business only. Third thing, we need GSTN, at least the customer should be GSTN registered customer, because we want to check the digital footprint of that customer. We want to see what is exact requirement or what is the exact need of that customer. So after that, maximum loan can be given up to 36 months, which will take the care of their cash flows and everything.
So quickly, I will take you through the journey. It's an OD product. A customer needs to log into YONO business, click on Digi Sugam, fill small details like GSTN number he will have to enter, OTP he will have to enter. All his details will be auto-fetched. CBS account statement will also get auto-fetched, but if he wants to upload the account statement, that facility is also available. There is a facility to upload ITR returns. So once he uploads all these documents will be digitally using AI ML models. Loan offer will be given to him. Customer has to go through entire key fact statement and accept the loan offer. Once customer accepts the loan offer, then our branch person will visit the company, will verify the availability of the business, and Then customer will be allowed to again go to YONO business platform, complete digital document execution through NESL, e-sign and e-stamping facility, and he will be able to get the loan offer. So within, if you think of the customer journey, within 15 to 20 minutes, he will be able to complete his entire loan journey digitally. Now we will take you through a video.
Thank you from Team SBI.